Welcome to the IT Source channel. Today in the video, I will show and explain how to install Python on Windows 11, along with the pyxlsb and pandas libraries. Open your browser and type Python download in the search bar, then go to the official website. All the necessary links will also be provided in the video description. Below on the website, select the required version of the program and click on Windows Installer 64-bit to download if your system is 64-bit. Run the installation file, check the two boxes at the bottom, and click the Install Now button. After the installation is complete, click the Close button. Then open the command prompt by pressing Win+R and typing cmd. Check if the program is installed correctly. And also check if the pip command is active. Next, install the pyxlsb library. You can also update pip to a newer version by copying the green command line and pasting it into a new prompt line. Next, install the pandas library. The libraries are installed. Let's check if Python starts without errors. As we can see, everything worked successfully. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope it helped you. Please support the channel with a like and subscription. Wishing you success.